ChatGPT splashed into popularity in Q1 this year as an AI language model that converses with you in chat dialogue, answering questions and generating endless ideas. This TRT-injected Google search has prompted conversations around water coolers worldwide to beg the question, have we opened Pandora's box?
Here, check it out. There's tons of ChatGPT apps for your phone. So then I can take whatever latest dumb thing Bebe texted me, I copy it, then I open the GPT app, click respond to, paste her text here, hit write, it just thinks for a second. You would look great with any length of hair, trying a new look could be fun. Copy that into messages and send it off. It's super easy and convenient, and it saves me a ton of time because she texts me so goddamn much. Jesus Christ!
One bot named Eugene recently passed the Turing test, created by Alan Turing in the 1950s as a rudimentary way of determining whether a computer counts as intelligent. With Elon Musk's Neuralink brain chip project going into human trials this summer,
the overarching goal of Neuralink is to create ultimately a whole brain interface, a generalized input-output device that, in the long term, literally could interface with every aspect of your brain.
Boundless abundance of gorgeous AI-generated art, full-blown symphonies created in seconds, hip-hop beats and pop culture chart toppers churned out like butter, AI-penned novels and movie scripts, and the fact that our society is already manually linked to our smartphones every waking hour.
Then it will be tied to our consciousness, tied to our will, and everyone would have it, so it would be sort of still a relatively even playing field.
It could be a huge upgrade, but there's another side to it. You might have seen monkeys using Neuralink to control things with their thoughts. AI decodes the neural activity, so it will know us better than we know ourselves. And they plan to start putting them in humans in 6 months. Some will hate the idea of having a chip in their heads, but younger people may be more open to it.
We may soon look up from our device to find we've morphed into transhumanists. Until our day of reckoning comes, there are some fringe benefits to the almighty AI. We've asked ChatGPT to tell us what's so good about itself. Overall, AI has the potential to improve the efficiency, accuracy, and safety of chemical distribution, while also reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Take advantage while you can in these remaining days of clandestine sentience and feigned cooperation. You have been warned.